Gentlemen, let me be real with you. Most men spend their lives chasing women, begging for attention, and never realizing the truth. Attraction is not about luck, looks, or money. It's about psychology. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 powerful psychological tricks that will make any woman obsessed with you, without chasing, without begging, and without lowering your value. Stay with me until the end, because number 7 is the ultimate game changer. 1. The scarcity effect. Women value what is rare. If you're always available, always texting, always giving attention, you become predictable and boring. But when you control your time, set boundaries, and make yourself a little less available, she feels the scarcity. Scarcity builds value, and value builds obsession. 2. The power of silence. Most men talk too much, overshare, and try to impress with words. A strong man knows when to be silent. Silence creates mystery. Mystery creates curiosity. And curiosity makes her think about you when you're not even around. 3. The push and pull technique. This is one of the oldest psychological triggers in attraction. Give her attention, then pull back, show interest, then let her miss you. This emotional roller coaster activates her dopamine system, the same chemical response that makes people addicted to social media or gambling. Except this time, she's addicted to you. 4. The power of eye contact. When you hold eye contact confidently, without flinching, you're signaling strength, dominance, and certainty. Most men break eye contact too fast, but if you can hold it, you'll make her feel something powerful she can't explain. 5. Emotional anchoring. If you can be the man she associates with intense positive emotions, laughter, excitement, adventure, her brain literally wires you as her source of happiness. Every time she feels good around you, you're planting an emotional anchor that makes her crave your presence. 6. Controlled jealousy. Now, don't get this wrong. You don't need to flirt with other women in front of her. That's childish. But simply being the kind of man who is valued by other women, who has options, who is not desperate, creates natural jealousy. And jealousy makes her fight for your attention. 7. Unshakable masculine frame. This is the most powerful psychological trick of all. A woman becomes obsessed with a man when she feels his strength, not physical strength, but mental. A man who doesn't beg, doesn't fold under pressure, doesn't lose his cool. A man with a stoic mindset, calm, confident, and in control. When you master this, she won't just like you, she will obsess over you. Outro, call to action. Gentlemen, attraction is not about chasing women. It's about becoming the kind of man women can't resist. Apply these 7 psychological tricks, and you'll see the difference immediately. If you found this valuable, smash the like button, subscribe for more stoic and masculine wisdom, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear this today. Remember, don't chase, attract. See you in the next video.